Hi guys, welcome to my channel again. In this video, I'm going to share 7 proven ways to get guests for your Airbnb rental. Whether you're just starting as an Airbnb host or you're a seasoned pro, these tips will help you attract more bookings and make more money. So let's get started. The first tip is optimizing your listing. The first step in getting more guests for your Airbnb rental is to optimize your listing. This means taking high quality photos of your space, writing a compelling description, and setting a competitive price. Make sure to highlight the unique features of your rental, like a private pool or a rooftop terrace. And don't forget to include all the important details like the number of bedrooms and bathrooms and the amenities you offer. The second tip I'll give you is utilize social media. Of course, in this day and age, you have to utilize social media. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter are great for reaching a wide audience and building relationships with potential guests. Share pictures of your rental, post updates about your area, and use hashtags to make it easier for people to find you. And don't forget to link to your Airbnb listing so people can book directly from your social media accounts. The third tip I'm going to give you is network with local businesses or businesses in your area. Networking with local businesses can be a great way to get more guests for your Airbnb rental. Reach out to restaurants, cafes, and shops in your area and ask if they promote your rental to their customers. The fourth tip I'll give you to promote your Airbnb space is to offer discounts and promotions. Offering discounts and promotions is a great way to get more guests for your Airbnb rental. You can offer a discount to guests who book for a longer stay, or offer a special promotion for first-time guests. So yeah, the guests who have coming for the first time. This is a great way to attract new guests and get repeat business. The fifth tip I'll give you is get involved in your community, in the community around you. Getting involved in the community is another great way to get more guests for your Airbnb rental. Attend local events, join a neighborhood association, and volunteer your time. Yes, volunteer your time. This is a great way to meet new people, socialize, and promote your rental to a wider audience. The sixth tip I'll give you is use paid advertising. Using paid advertising is a great way to get more guests for your Airbnb rental. Platforms like Google AdWords and Facebook ads allow you to target specific demographics like people looking for vacation rentals in your area. This can be a great way to get your rental in front of more potential guests. The seventh tip I'll give you is ask for reviews. Yes, there's nothing wrong with asking for your reviews for your Airbnb rental. So ask for reviews from your guests. Positive reviews can be a powerful tool in getting more guests for your Airbnb rental. Encourage your guests to leave a review on your listing after they check out, and make sure to respond to any negative reviews in a professional and helpful manner. So don't respond in a negative, harsh way to your guests. Just keep it positive, okay? And in conclusion, there you have it, 7 proven ways to get more guests to your Airbnb rental. Remember, it takes time and effort to build a successful Airbnb business, but by following these tips, you'll be on your way to attracting more bookings for your Airbnb rental. So thanks again for watching. I hope these tips will help you to help promote your Airbnb rental. And thanks again for watching my channel. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Peace.